Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to open the watch battery cage on your Casio W86. As you can see, I am doing a full battery replacement tutorial. In case you want to watch the full video, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below as well to all the tools that I use. Here, as you can see, we have the battery, and here we have the place where we need to open the watch battery cage. Now what you want to do is to have a metallic pair of tweezers, and you are going to use one tip in order to go here in between the plastic and the metallic part, and then you are going to open it and you are going to hear a small snap. This is going to open the watch battery cage, and what I suggest that you do here is to take your time, especially if this is your first time replacing the watch battery on such digital watches, because you do not want to break the battery cage. Then what you would like to do, if you have the option, is to use a non-metallic pair of tweezers in order to maneuver the watch battery to replace it. And then at the end, we are going to push it down. You are going to hear a small click, and that means that the watch battery is closed. Then you are going to make sure that your watch is working. You have to also do the AC reset as suggested right here. Once again, I will explain all of that in the full tutorial, so make sure to check it out. And guys, that is how you open and close the watch battery cage on your Casio W86. This is also going to be very similar to Casio G-Shock watches, but in case you want to watch the full guides on those as well, I have a few on the YouTube channel, so you can check them out, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really means a lot to me, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.